Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to convert your BNB to USDT instantly, here's how you can do it easily and safely using the Binance application. So first, open Binance app and make sure you're logged in. Now tap on the trade icon at the bottom. And yes, from here you will convert. So here, select BNB to USDT. For that, under From section, you need to select BNB. For that, here just you need to tap USDT. And from the list, select BNB. And make sure under To section, you select USDT. And type how much BNB you want to convert. Just type how much BNB you want to convert, and once done, tap Preview Conversion. Check the rate and fees if any and tap Convert and done. That's how to create BNB to USDT on Binance. Like and follow for more crypto tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.